in simple words. Now all these harmful particles that are coming from the environment towards us, okay, from outside the body, so those particles are actually termed as antigen, okay, they are given the name antigen. Now a question arises here, why these particles are known as antigen? Why another name is not given to them? Very simple. Just concentrate on the word antigen. You will get your answer very easily and quickly. Now, antigen word is actually composed of two terms. Number one, anti, number two, gen. Anti means or it stands for antibodies hereby, okay. Gen is actually from generation, means production, okay. So now production of the antibodies. Now combine these two together, production of the antibodies. So that's why the particles are called as antigen, because they are producing antibodies in the body. How they are producing? Because of them actually antibodies are produced in the body. How? Very simple. When these particles from the environment come to our body, enter into our body, so our body identifies these particles, and then these particles, when they get into the body, because of these particles our body then makes antibodies, okay. So antigens are from the outside and antibodies are produced inside our body when they come into our body, okay. So they come into the body, and because of these antibodies are produced, that's why these particles are biologically named as antigen. Antibodies producing things. So that's why this particular beautiful name is given to harmful particles, okay. So antigen means actually the antibodies production. So antibodies productions are done when particles from the surrounding come into the body. So again, defining a little bit more hereby. So antigen, when they invade the body and produce antibodies, that's why they are called as antigen. So I told you right now, when the particles invade the body, so then as they come into the body, our body starts producing antibodies. So that's why these particles are given the name antigen, okay. So I told you the name, I broke the name for you guys. From the name you can also understand. Antibodies production. So particles are actually responsible to produce antibodies in our body. Why? As they come, then our body will produce. Otherwise, no antibodies are produced hereby. Well, so this is a little bit about antibodies, antigen. Now let's come towards the antibodies. Now, what is actually antibodies term?